Welcome to Perla Lichi's remodeling and glamorizing tips of the day. Well, you know, space planning is the most important thing anybody can do in the beginning of a project. Me as designer, that's what I do unconsciously. Well, no, not unconsciously, don't laugh, subconsciously. And why is that? Because the space is very important, and how you open up the space is what's gonna make it. Don't set it as a closed space, set it as an open space, and there's so many ways we can do that. I can't wait to show you today. Welcome to our remodeled project. You will see the before, but now look at the after. As you walk into the foyer, you will see that now. Come on in. There was that big closet before, and not quite necessary. But not only that, but when I walked into this apartment in the beginning, this was closed and dark. With this beautiful view of the canal, the intercoastal in Florida, let's open that up, get rid of this closet, no need. We definitely overcompensated with additional storage somewhere else and created a beautiful entry foyer with a nice low dividing furniture that looks like a wall. And then you're able to see through the whole apartment opened up into this beautiful view of the intercoastal that you would have not seen as you walked in before. That's what good space planning is. In addition, we were able to also raise the ceilings, because it's not just space planning where you walk, but what's above you that matters. What's above you should follow what's under you. I call it the icing on the cake, the ceilings. And then practically use the proper chandelier within every space. Obviously proper lighting. Let me walk you through. As you continue the space, this used to be the entry to the kitchen. Now, if I'm having a formal dining Thanksgiving dinner, I'm not gonna be looking into this galley kitchen anymore because this has been closed. I've added a mirror, and we'll talk about that later, but look how this mirror is reflecting this beautiful feature wall. Now, I'm walking into the master suite because I've created a nice little foyer where it didn't have it before. This used to be all closed with just bifold doors. And now it's become an opened up boutique, which you've seen. That's a good space planned project where it's all opened up and it's all flowing within the space, little sitting area, and then continued into the master bedroom with a gallery, bathroom opened up, and then comes the master bedroom. Master bedroom, the trick was obviously to create a feature wall with the highest ceiling as possible, and then interesting mirrors, which we'll talk about what the mirrors will reflect. That's going to be a whole other conversation we'll be having. But why space planning? Space planning is the first thing we should do. Space planning is the bones of the project. When you properly lay your furniture and you know how the flow of the space will be, that's what's going to dictate your lighting, the furniture placement, the furniture scale, and then comes the theme and the color, which we're going to be telling you lots of good things in this remodeling and glamorizing tips just for you.